So the last of March, and here we have it. Another snow blast. Seen some of the pictures from last year, because I never remember every year what it's like the year before. But April 2nd last year we got a snow blast as well. Well, we're just tired of winter, and every year it's the same ordeal when it comes to this. But this is just a snowstorm, a flat out snowstorm that we got here. So I decided to come out in it anyway. Doesn't matter. I gotta try to make money where I can, as much as I can. But I do have an in-person interview coming up in the next couple days here. So we'll see how that works out. But, you know, it's a step forward. At least my resume is getting noticed a bit. The last interview, they didn't even get back to me. But we'll see how this works out. Anyway, you plug along and do what you do as you live your life, relatively speaking, in this world. And exactly what God has us doing. And we look forward to our expectation, which is drawing nearer and nearer every single moment of every single day. This is an expectation that we have clearly set well before we were ever born. God has the timing. Not even our brother Christ knows the moment. But when the moment occurs, it will occur. In the uncutting of time and space. This is what I'm trying to emphasize here. Our snatching away is so swift that how can we bring it down into time and space? We really can't. I mean, we can see the timelines. We're living in the era of the end. I said this before, the era of the end, meaning where the chess pieces are being set up here on this earth. For the great tribulation will occur, such as the earth has not seen before or will ever see. And that will occur. But before that, we must be snatched away. Before that even begins the great tribulation. So living in the era of the end, we know our expectation is... I don't even like to associate time with it, time and space. I really don't. Because the atom change, or the atomos, which is the complete change of our molecular structure of this human body while we're alive, those who are alive at the presence of the Lord, is just so fast. There's no calculations, no human calculations that can calculate it. I'll put it that way. So we know our moment-to-moment expectation is here. And I know we say 2.5 minutes because that's Zender's expression of it, which is great. We're bringing it down to the relative, and we're seeing, okay, well, we can look at it from a relative perspective that way. But when you look at it from a molecular viewpoint, you're going to see that it's faster than anything ever recorded in the physical realm. It goes beyond it. So when we're changed, our bodies are going to be completely opposite of what they are now. We'll be able to change. I believe we'll be able to appear in whatever form we're going to appear in, to whoever we're going to appear to. And that includes the oncoming eons. When we're changed and made immortal, we will have bodies that are adaptable to the celestial realm, meaning we will be able to appear to celestial beings and reconcile them. So that's a powerful appearance. And it's going to be spectacular and beautiful. We have nothing on this physical earth to explain really the process of it or the change of it. It's I can't explain it. But Paul gives us a picture and explains it, relatively speaking, so we can understand that our change is spectacular. Grace and peace.